So you can see in my screen Xampp is installed. The thing is happened, sometimes people got in problem in that Apache format, in Apache module. They will got some problem in that like server when you are going 127 in 8000. Suppose it is 80 portal or any folder, it will show that your Apache is totally not working, or your PID is missing. So in that case, how to fix that Xampp control panel? What you have to do is, you have to go in that Apache config, and you have to go here Apache httpd.configuration, which is the configuration part. When you click here and just control F and find the 80 port number. Now find here. Now you can see here, listen, port number is there. So what you have to do is, if there is 80, you have to change that port as per your requirement, and also side by side you have to change that port 80, or you can say 81 as per your requirement. Okay, just save it by Control S, and your Apache will start. And your status, look, your status change detected. Okay, sometimes it will show the same error, but no problem. But you can see here PID is there and port is also there, and it is going, your Apache is running totally. And in SQL you also see here the status change detected in Apache, the status change detected in running in MS MySQL. So no problem is there. So 2 PID is there, and you can see the port 8080 what I have saved. Now just go to the Chrome and just write localhost and 8080 what I have said earlier, and look, the Xampp is there. And if you want to go in the PHP my admin, just go here and you can see the problem is fixed. Your PHP my admin is working properly. Now in the SQL you can write code or create some table, create table name, like that. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I think that video is really helpful for the students who are facing problem in Xampp control panel. Thank you so much. I am stopping my video here.